you are watching here on the screen is a Fabaceae flower. See, this Fabaceae flower is having a very specific or a typical structure, and you can note that this flower is having a bilateral symmetry. Actually, flowers may have such type of radial symmetry, and such flowers are called actinomorphic flowers. They can be divided into multiple symmetries, multiple parts, by taking various different symmetrical halves. But when we are taking a section of this flower, there can be just one single section with bilateral symmetry here. Such flowers are called zygomorphic flowers. When we write the floral formula, then actinomorphic flowers are represented by this symbol, while zygomorphic flowers, they are represented by this symbol.